Hi guys and welcome back to the channel. I'm Adam Thomas. Thank you all so much for being here. It's a brand new year, it's 2023. I've got some amazing content lined up for you guys. Some new stuff, some old stuff. A few things have changed sort of studio wise. I've got a new desk, got some new lights, got a new background. But before we get into that, let's just do a little recap of everything we did in 2022. Hi guys and welcome back. I'm Thomas. Thank you all so much for being here.
This time I've managed to show you the process from completely start to finish. So,
well, you can. Yeah. Like, you just have to take the time to learn it.
We're gonna do 5 tips on what to do before a tattoo appointment. Let's jump straight into it. Here, obviously by copying it in, just makes your life easier. You don't have to go fishing around for that typeface. And it was just so brutal, this writing. It just worked really well with the piece.
Tattoos that have been doing it a long time would just laugh at you. I've been to college to do tattooing. They go, what?
yeah.
it's just getting that off the side. You can see I'm just diving into that bottom lip now. We jump straight into the chair.
So now we're just hitting all these shadows on the cheeks.
Big, long metal bar across the front. This makes it a lot easier to grab and to use.
And with all that being said, thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you all on the next video. Peace. So that was 2022. We had a great year. We hit 25,000 subscribers. So thank you all guys for subscribing to the channel. What have we got planned this year? Conventions across the UK are back on. So I've got conventions booked in. So if you guys want to come down and say hello, have a chat and yeah, just hang out. I'll be posting all my conventions on the website, which leads us onto the website. So my website is going to be changing as of this video. It should be all up and running. So that's going to list all my conventions, all upcoming videos, new content. That's all going to be put onto the new website, so make sure to head over there and check that out. Content that's coming back for this year, time-lapse Tuesdays. I've got a time-lapse coming this Tuesday. We've got more giveaways coming this year. All my sponsors and connections in the industry, we're gonna get some great products and we're gonna give those away. Talking about products, we're gonna be doing more reviews this year. I wanna go through all the machines that I've currently got and that I use on a regular basis and give you guys an insight into how I use them, why I use them, why I think they're good, and we'll go through all those. Anything specific that you wanna know about, make sure to drop it in the comments and I'll try my best to get my hands on them and we'll get some reviews done on those. The design tutorials are also coming back, but I'm gonna be focusing a little bit more on tattooing. So we've got a big giveaway in the pipeline. So I'm gonna get myself a pound of flesh, which you might have seen in one of my previous videos, which are the fake body parts. We're taking ideas from you guys. I want you to drop them on my Instagram. I'm gonna put a post on there. Any of the good ideas that I think are gonna work and that I think that I can achieve from a tattooing point of view, we'll be tattooing them on videos live and I'll be talking through the whole process. Once the pound of flesh is completely covered, we'll do a big giveaway and then one of you guys can hopefully win it. It should be a fun little project to get involved and sort of build this community up that we've got going. As well as the tattooing tutorials, we are going to be doing more Procreate stuff. You guys are really after it. One of the big videos that I've got on my channel, which is almost, as of last time I checked, nearly on 1 million views. We are going to be doing some more Procreate tutorials. There's a load of stuff that you guys have been asking about, so I'm going to go through all the comments, find out what you guys want to know, try and get some really direct videos that are going to help you guys out. Guys, that is going to be 2023 in a nutshell. It's going to be a really good year. I'm really excited. The vlogs at the conventions and hopefully meeting some of you guys. It's the big part that I'm looking forward to getting back into. So with all that being said, make sure that you are subscribed to the channel and you've got the notification bell clicked so you'll get notified whenever I post. Make sure to drop likes and comments. It really helps the channel. Like I say, links in the description for the new website and my Instagram where you can drop comments to get your ideas put forward for the pound of flesh tattoo giveaway. Yeah, for the pound of flesh giveaway. And like I say, guys, thank you all so much for subscribing, keeping the channel strong and helping it grow. And yeah, let's see how good 2023 can be. Peace.